Unlock your potential, earning a living online in the digital age. Are you ready to break free from traditional limitations and discover the incredible power of the digital economy? Imagine earning a living from anywhere in the world, using your unique skills and passions. It's not just a dream, it's a reality for millions. The internet has democratized opportunity, allowing anyone with a skill and a drive to succeed. Young people are leading the charge, building thriving careers through content creation, freelancing, and digital marketing. The benefits are undeniable: minimal startup capital, location independence, unlimited earning potential, and the chance to build a personal brand. It's time to seize the moment and unlock your potential. YouTube is a powerhouse platform for turning your creativity into income. Share your knowledge, entertain the world, and build a loyal audience that supports your vision. First, choose a niche that ignites your passion. Whether it's education, entertainment, fitness, business, gaming, or lifestyle, find your unique voice. Next, create high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Use a good camera or smartphone and free editing tools like CapCut or iMovie to polish your videos. Focus on providing value, solving problems, or simply entertaining your viewers. Optimize your channel for growth by using SEO-friendly titles, descriptions, and thumbnails. Promote your videos on social media, blogs, and forums to reach a wider audience. Finally, meet YouTube's monetization requirements: 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. Once monetized, you can earn through various avenues. Google AdSense pays for ads shown on your videos, sponsorships offer direct partnerships with brands, affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting products, and merchandise sales let you sell custom items to your fans. Mungai Eve, a young Kenyan, built a successful YouTube channel by interviewing entrepreneurs and social influencers. Her story proves that YouTube can be a profitable platform for anyone with a compelling vision. Remote work offers the freedom to collaborate with companies and clients worldwide, all from the comfort of your chosen workspace. No more commutes, just pure productivity. Develop in-demand skills like writing and editing, graphic design and video editing, programming and web development, digital marketing, or virtual assistants. These skills are highly sought after in the remote work landscape. Explore freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, People Per Hour, Freelancer, and TopTal. Each platform offers a unique range of services, from writing and coding to design and marketing. Create a strong profile that highlights your skills, experience, and a portfolio of past work. Tailor your applications to each job, showcasing your understanding of the client's needs. Deliver high-quality work, meet deadlines, communicate effectively, and exceed expectations. Building a positive reputation through excellent work and positive reviews will attract more clients. A young graduate in Kenya, after losing his job, started freelancing on Upwork and now earns over $1,000 per month doing remote graphic design work. His story is a testament to the power of remote work. Digital marketing is the art of promoting products and services online, and businesses worldwide are willing to pay skilled marketers to help them reach more customers and increase sales. Master social media marketing, SEO, search engine optimization, affiliate marketing, email marketing, and content marketing. Each area offers unique opportunities to drive growth and engagement. Take advantage of free resources like Google Digital Garage, HubSpot Academy, and YouTube tutorials. These platforms offer comprehensive courses and insights from experienced marketers. Offer social media services to businesses. Create a blog or YouTube channel to share valuable content. Work with e-commerce stores to increase sales through paid ads. or become an affiliate marketer and earn commissions by promoting products. A young marketer, starting with free Google Digital Garage courses, now earns money by running Facebook ads for small businesses. His journey demonstrates the power of accessible education and practical application. Every journey has its challenges. Lack of skills can be overcome with free online courses. Finding clients requires utilizing freelancing platforms and social media. Low initial income can be addressed with patience, experience, and gradually increasing rates. Competition can be navigated by choosing a unique niche and specializing in one area. Proverbs 10 verse 4 reminds us that lazy hands make for poverty, but diligent hands bring wealth. Consistency and effort are essential for online success. Matthew 25 verses 14 to 30, the parable of the talents, teaches us to use our gifts wisely to create wealth and impact lives. Proverbs 11 verse 1 emphasizes honesty, reminding us that the Lord detests dishonest scales, but accurate weights find favor with him. Always deliver quality services and be truthful in your online work. Choose one online income stream: YouTube, freelancing, or digital marketing. Research how to start and list the first 3 steps you need to take. Set a goal to earn your first income within the next 2 months. Create a simple action plan and share it with a mentor or accountability partner. The internet offers endless opportunities to earn money by monetizing your skills. By leveraging YouTube, remote work, and digital marketing, you can build a successful career, achieve financial independence, and make a positive impact on the world. Now is the time to act. Which online income stream best matches your skills? What steps will you take this week to start monetizing your skills? How can you apply biblical principles to ensure success in your online business? Don't wait, start today. Subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories and practical tips on building your online empire. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Your journey to financial freedom starts now.